isang malaking hamon kay Speaker D ngayon ay nasan ba si Congressman Saldico? Hindi ba dapat ay para rin maprotektahan ang integridad ng House, ay tawagin niya na bumalik kung saan man siya naroroon po?
That is what former Speaker Martin Romualdez has been doing. And hindi lang namin sinabi to sa labas, pero I was personally witness na ilang beses na pinapakontak niya, tinatawagan niya mismo na kung pwedeng umuwi para masagot. So initially, we were told there was a health problem and in 2 weeks' time, baka makarating. No? Unfortunately, hindi. That's why the semblance of the Speaker resigning is actually showing the Filipino people that he will try to deliver and invite Congressman Saldico para masagot niya lahat ng mga ito. But at the same time, Speaker Bogie D will now be the light. No? Kasi hindi pwedeng matutok na lang tayo doon, tapos makalimutan natin yung ating malaki pang trabaho. Kaya nga, ang kanyang pakiusap is, bigyan nyo kami ng pagkakataon na magampanan ang aming tungkulin. And he was very clear in saying na kung merong miyembro ang Kongreso na madadamay, ay dapat managot. We will be there to possibly do emotional support, but we cannot do a cover-up, and we will be 100% cooperative in sending all information and providing any information that the Independent Commission on Infrastructure will be needing from us.
Ma'am, sabi niyo nga, pinapabalik na si Zaldico. Pero can you give us some context there? Is he being asked to return? Is he being ordered or summoned to return? And what are the powers of Congress as far as that is concerned? Can Congress require him to return, or is it only by invitation as a colleague?
Sa amin is by invitation, no? And personal appeal for the past weeks actually. But all of this we kept internally dun sa liderato ng Kongreso. Be that as it may, kaya nga maganda na andyan na yung ICI, lalo na ito, merong panukalang batas si Congresswoman Laila de Lima na may contempt powers. Because the ICI will now independently work towards inviting, or probably if the need arises, issue a subpoena to the people who can shed light and allow us to see the bigger picture of what has been happening.
Ma'am, kasi si Congressman Ronnie Puno mentioned this this phrase na if possible, forcibly, or if necessary, forcibly make him come back. I'm referring, of course, to Zaldico. Is that in any way in the equation of things? Can he be forcibly required by Congress to come back?
Kung merong sapat na rason at dokumento ang ating ICI, then the legal remedies can be resorted to. And I believe, siguro sa nakita na natin lahat, na the Speaker has to step down, be accountable, and as a leader, show to the institution that he has to take full responsibility for what happened. This is also a sign for Congressman Saldico to shed light on many questions that are haunting the Filipino people.
You said that there was a health issue involved. Meron bang medical certificate? Meron bang ipinakita sa inyo na katanggap-tanggap na paliwanag?
Personally sa akin, wala, no? And when we asked, we were told na uuwi nga, no? And it was just later when we realized na meron yatang mga nuances. Now, I'm not really privy into the situation because, of course, Congressman Saldico has his own family. Maybe he's also thinking about his safety, yung mga bagay na mga ganito. Kaya nga, kami, during the Infracom committee hearing, I was pushing for reforms in the 2026 budget and the accountability of the contractors na pwede pa nating singilin. Ipagpatuloy nila yung mga project at yung 2026 ay talagang dapat para na sa taong bayan, para na sa bagong Pilipinas.